I'm at Dreams Macao in Dominican Republic. I'm going to show you my room and a preferred club ocean view. I'll tell you about this little door here in just a second, but it is just right next to the main door. We do not have bracelets, just a key to get in. So like I said, a preferred club ocean view. We will go actually to the main area first, then I'll come back and show you some things. TV, some storage, a couple drawers over here. I have a king bed, but it also does have the option to have 2 doubles. It has a touch screen tablet over here on the right that you can use, order room service, things like that. Seating area over here. My mojito I got at check-in. Preferred Club has their own lounge for check-in, and I got it there. We have another seating area with couch. For plugs, there is one over here. There's some over here with reading light on the right side, and then again over here on the left side by the phone. Due to COVID, they've showed you that they've cleaned the remote and then put it in there to keep it dust-free and so that you know that it's been cleaned. Mirror up here. We'll go look at my view here in just a second. I do have a tub on my balcony. And this will be my view for the next 7 days. It is family friendly, so there are kids here. They do have some swim out rooms, and one of my friends is in there, so I'm going to change and go visit her. We're going to hang out in her pool the rest of the night. Now we're going to go see this side, or the other side of the room. But you can see it from this angle as well. You'll notice up here, there is, right here, there is a opening to the bathroom. It goes directly into the shower. So you have to close that for privacy. Over here on the right, it's got some hangers. I'll show you. Hang clothes, a drawer, place for shoes at the bottom. Over here we have coffee, water, ice, snacks, wine cooler if I was to order and purchase wine. Have a mini fridge, mini bar with some beer, some drinks, water, snacks, some alcohol. That is all included. And then in the middle right here is the room safe. We have more storage right here. And then remember, I said something about that little box just outside the door. If you order room service, they will put it in that little door, and then I can access it from the interior. They'll just set it right there, and when I'm done, I can put my dirty dishes right here. So it's pretty handy. There is a full-length mirror on the wall. And then let's check out the bathroom. You have a tub with a shower, which I'll open that door so it makes it a lot easier to see. Out looking to the main living area. And there's a smaller one right here, and rain shower up there. And then Double sink, double vanity. COVID stuff. And then over here on the right, we have a frosted door and the toilet. I don't know why everything's fuzzy. There we go. And that is it. That is my room. Preferred Club Ocean View at Dreams Macao in Dominican Republic.